Hello friends, I'm Ben Plickard, and I thought I'd just show you this neat little Facebook counter that I got in the mail today. It is from Smirl, SMIIRL.com, Smirl.com, and what it does is it basically is a Facebook counter, real-time Facebook counter. As soon as somebody likes our Facebook, it will immediately update this counter. It connects via Wi-Fi. It also connects via Ethernet port on the back. I have it connected via Wi-Fi. Then I didn't have to worry about running an Ethernet cable. The setup was pretty easy. There's a website that I was able to go to and set up, and it literally just pointed to your Facebook URL, which in my case is facebook.com/Brook Pointe. Pretty much that easy. The only thing I could think of is that may be a problem when I go to update change the name from Brook Pointe Inn to Brook Pointe Resort, but I'm not overly worried about that aspect. It does plug in. It's got a long, it's probably got a, I don't know, close to a 10-foot cable, which is pretty nice. I'm going to put this on the front counter. Depending on how well it works, it was about $380 I think I got the thing for, and I bought it right on their website exactly. I don't know how quickly it updates. It says it's supposed to update every 2 seconds. That's what you can go through and update it, so it updates every like 24 hours or 6 minutes, or I mean there's lots of different options that you can have to go through and update. But anyway, it's pretty cool. It's in a glass case here. You can see right now we've got 10,917 likes. It's, I don't know, a couple, maybe about 4 inches thick. It's got a nice little protective case on here, and it's pretty self-explanatory. People can see that it updates. I don't know if we're going to get some kind of sign that says, "Hey, you know, like us on Facebook, watch the counter move," or something like that. But that is the Smurl Facebook counter. If it works out really well, I plan on putting one of these on the booth bus if it goes well for us. But so all I need to get is 380 some likes for it, because that's what it costs. Because that would be the equivalent of spending $1 per like to get us on Facebook, because that's what they charge to get new likes on Facebook if you promote liking pages and things like that. So I mean, ultimately, if that helps us, I don't know if it'll ultimately end up in the dining room, if it's going to just sit on the front counter. I don't exactly know where it's going to live forever, but as of right now, this is the Facebook counter at Brook Pointe. So I'm Ben. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you find my content interesting. Have a great day.